Variegation in pothos depends on a variety of factors, each contributing to the colors and streaks adorning its foliage. Let's delve into these factors to unlock the full spectrum of hues in its leaves. Grow the most variegated varieties. First things first, not every pothos boasts variegation. Varieties like Cebu Blue Pothos or Neon Pothos remain solid in color, devoid of markings or streaks. Opt for naturally variegated varieties such as Marble Queen Pothos, Golden Pothos, Manjula Pothos, or Snow Queen Pothos for vibrant foliage. Light requirements. While we often assume pothos thrive in low light conditions, this isn't ideal for the variegated specimens. Adequate sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, which fuels the plant's coloration. Insufficient light leads to diminished variegation as chlorophyll-deprived areas cannot effectively absorb light. Without adequate sunlight, variegated leaves lose their vibrancy, resulting in less colorful foliage. Ensure your pothos receives indirect light throughout the day to maintain bright colors. Propagation with variegated cuttings. Want to expand your collection with more variegated plants? Utilize cuttings from the most variegated specimens. By propagating with these cuttings, you ensure the new plant inherits the same striking coloration, enriching your collection. Bloom-bursting fertilizers. While pothos aren't renowned for their flowers, phosphorus-rich fertilizers can enhance their color development. Incorporate bone meal into the soil, or opt for liquid formulations high in phosphorus to promote vibrant foliage. Dust management. Pothos feature large leaves ideal for light absorption, crucial for photosynthesis and vibrant foliage. Regularly clean the foliage using a damp cloth to remove dust. Additionally, a mixture of water and milk can add shine to the leaves while protecting against fungal infections like powdery mildew. If you found this information valuable, remember to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!